Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download Git Bash. Okay, so if you want to download Git Bash in your MacBook, so whether you are using M1 chip, M2 chip, M3 chip or M4 chip, this video will work in every MacBook. So what you have to do, just here you have to search for Git Bash, Git for Mac or Git Bash for Mac. Okay, now search for it. Now when you see first website download for Mac OS, okay, now you have to click on it. So when you click on it, you have to just click on it, and here you will see binary installer. Now just you have to just click on this installer. Okay, now wait for a few seconds. Now you will see like this. Now you have to click on this download button. Okay, now click on download button, and it will take 4 to 5 seconds to start downloading. Okay, I will start downloading. So it is 2 point. Now you have to just click on save. Now this has been downloaded in my Mac. So now what you have to do, just you have to open it in the finder, and now you have to click on double tap on this. Okay, now you will see this message, the inter universal MacBook not opened. So now what you have to do, you have to just click on done, and then go to what you have to do, just click on Apple icon and go to system setting. Okay, then here you will see and privacy and security. Now you have to just scroll down, and here you will see was blocked to protect. Okay, so now you have to just click on open anyway and click on again open anyway. Now you have to just use a password, and then you can easily install it. Click on continue or click on install. Now you have to enter the login password here of your Mac and click on install software. Okay, now it will take only few seconds to install. Okay, now Git Bash is downloaded and installed successfully in your Mac. Now I'm going to show you how to move or how to switch from your default terminal to this Git Bash terminal. So what you have to do, terminal, and here you have to just go to launchpad, and now you will see in others terminal. Okay, if you see ZSH, it means it is opened with default. Okay, now what you have to do, just here you will see terminal, and now you have to click on setting, and now here you will see command. Okay, now here you have to edit ZSH to bash. Okay, now close it and open this terminal again. Okay, so I'm going to open. Here you will see bash. So like this you can download and install GitHub in your Mac. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like